Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Imagine earning passive income every month without dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Welcome to the world of Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP is a powerful platform that allows anyone to publish books, journals, planners, or low content books and sell them globally. Whether you're a writer, designer, or just someone with creative ideas, you can start this business with little to no upfront cost. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of launching your Amazon KDP business even if you're a complete beginner. From niche research and creating your first book to publishing and marketing, it's all covered. The best part? You don't need to invest thousands of dollars. With less than $1,000, you can set up everything, design tools, templates, and even ads if needed. So if you're ready to build a scalable income stream, hit that play button and let's dive into how you can go from zero to profit with Amazon KDP. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. 1. What is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP, short for Kindle Direct Publishing, is Amazon's self-publishing platform that gives you the power to publish your own books and earn money without needing a traditional publisher, warehouse, or inventory. With KDP, you can ship anything yourself. Amazon handles it all. Here's how it works. You create your book using simple tools, many of which are free. Design a cover and upload your files to the Amazon KDP platform. You set your price, and once it's live, your book becomes available to millions of Amazon customers around the world. Whenever someone places an order, Amazon prints the book on demand, ships it to the customer, and handles customer service. That means you don't have to worry about packaging, delivery, returns, or storage. This business model is ideal for anyone looking to build a passive income stream. Whether you're a student, stay at home parent, full time worker, or aspiring entrepreneur, Amazon KDP allows you to monetize your creativity with very little upfront investment. Plus, since it's entirely online, you can work from anywhere at your own pace. The potential is huge and the barriers to entry are low. So if you've ever dreamed of publishing your own book or making money online without dealing with physical products, Amazon KDP might just be the perfect opportunity for you. Types of books you can publish. When it comes to publishing on Amazon KDP, there are three main types of books you can create, and each one offers unique opportunities based on your skills, time, and creativity. 1. Low content books. These are the easiest and fastest books to create. Low content books include journals, planners, notebooks, logbooks, trackers, and sketchbooks. They usually have repetitive or blank pages and don't require any writing. You only need to design a simple interior and an attractive cover. These books are always in demand. People buy them for organization, productivity, gifts, and more. For beginners, this is the best place to start. 2. Medium content books. These include activity books, puzzle books, and coloring books. They require a bit more creativity and design effort. You might need to create puzzles, mazes, word searches, or illustrations. While they take a little more time to build, they also stand out in the market and can be highly profitable. These books are great for kids, adults, and even seniors. 3. High content books. This category includes ebooks, novels, guides, educational material, and self help books. These require original create puzzles, mazes, word searches, or illustrations. While they take a little more time to build, they also stand out in the market and can be highly profitable. These books are great for kids, adults, and even seniors. 3. High content books. This category includes ebooks, novels, guides, educational material, and self help books. These require original written content, so they're more time intensive. However, they offer long term value and can build a strong author brand. If you're a writer or have expertise in a particular subject, this is a great path. So, which type should you start with? If you are new to publishing or want to start earning quickly without writing a full book, low content books are your best option. They're easy to produce, inexpensive to make, and highly scalable. You can create multiple books in a short time and upload them to start generating passive income. Once you're comfortable, you can experiment with medium or high content books to diversify.
your portfolio and increase earnings. With Amazon KDP, the possibilities are endless. You just need to pick a niche and get started. 3. Step by step plan to start your KDP business. Now let's walk through a simple step by step plan to launch your Amazon KDP business from scratch with a budget under $1,000. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a low cost way to make money online, this roadmap will help you go from $0 to profit. Step 1. Research profitable niches. Budget. Start by identifying niches that have low competition but high demand. Use free tools like the Amazon search bar. Look at autofill suggestions. Google Trends for seasonal or trending topics and the free version of BookBolt to analyze categories. Some evergreen niches include gratitude journals, daily planners, budget trackers, and fitness logs. Step 2. Create your book interior. Budget $0 to $30. Next, you need to design the inside pages of your book. For low content books, this could be lined pages, prompts, or trackers. Canva is a free and beginner friendly tool you can use, or you can purchase editable templates online for a small fee. Make sure your interior design is clean, functional, and unique. Step 3. Design a professional cover. Budget $5 to $20. A great cover is what grabs attention and drives sales. You can create a simple yet attractive cover using Canva, or you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr if you want something more polished. Amazon also offers a free cover creator tool if you are on a very tight budget. Step 4. Set up your KDP account. Budget Sura. Head over to KDP or Amazon.com and sign up. It's completely free. Fill in your tax and payment details to get started. Step 5. Upload and publish your book. Budget $0. Format your interior and cover according to Amazon's specifications, usually in PDF format. Choose your book title, keywords, and categories wisely. Once everything is ready, hit publish. Your book will be live on Amazon in 72 hours or less. And just like that, you're in business. 4. Where to spend your budget. Now that you know how to start your Amazon KDP business, let's talk about how to wisely spend your $1,000 budget to get the most value and the fastest results. You don't need to spend all of it right away. In fact, many successful KDP publishers start with as little as $100 $200 and reinvest their earnings as they grow. But if you do have up to 1000 to invest, here's a smart and strategic way to allocate it. 1. Book covers $100. Your book cover is the first thing a customer sees, and first impressions matter. Invest in quality. You can use Canva Pro to create covers yourself or hire talented designers on Fiverr for $5 or $20 per cover. Having multiple professional looking covers increases your chances of standing out. 2. Interior design tools $120. While there are free tools available, using paid tools like Canva Pro or BookBolt unlocks premium features, templates, and faster workflows. You'll also be able to create more polished and unique interiors, which sets your books apart from the competition. 3. Freelance help optional $100. If you're short on time or want higher quality results, consider hiring freelancers for tasks like keyword research, formatting, or even cover design. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer affordable talent. 4. Advertising and marketing $300. Once your book is live, you'll need visibility. Amazon ads can help you get traffic and sales faster. Start small, maybe $5 or $10 per day, and test different ad strategies. Good ads can help your book rank organically over time. 5. Courses or training $150. If you're serious about long term success, investing in a KDP course or coaching can save you time and costly mistakes. Many affordable courses teach everything from niche research to marketing strategies and scaling your business. 6. Reserve for future books $230. Keep a portion of your budget reserved for creating more books. Once your first book starts generating income, you can use this reserve to publish new titles, test different niches, or scale your successful ones. Remember, the key is to start lean, learn the process, and reinvest your profits. Smart spending early on can lead to long term passive income through your KDP business. 5. How to make your first sale. Narrator, publishing your book is just the beginning. Now, the goal is to get that all important first sale, and here's how you can make it happen quickly and effectively. 1. Use the right keywords. Your book's discoverability depends heavily on keywords. When someone searches on Amazon, your book needs to appear in the results. Tools like KDSpy, Publisher Rocket, or even Amazon's own search bar can help you find relevant, high traffic, low competition keywords. Make sure to include these keywords in your book title, subtitle, and backend keyword fields during the upload process. 2. Promote on social media. Don't just rely on Amazon for traffic. Leverage platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and even niche Facebook groups. Create short, engaging content about your book, like a flip through, a behind the scenes look at how you made it, or a relatable post about who it's for. Even one viral post can drive dozens of sales. 3. Run small Amazon ads. Amazon advertising is one of the best ways to get visibility early on. You can start with as little as $5 per day to test different ad campaigns. Try both automatic and manual targeting. Monitor your results and scale the ads that are performing well. 4. Ask for reviews. Social proof sells. Ask friends, family, or early buyers to leave honest reviews. Avoid fake or incentivized reviews, but a few genuine 4 or 5-star ratings can boost your credibility and conversions. Getting your first sale is a major milestone. And once it happens, it builds momentum. With the right strategy, your book can start gaining traction and become a source of steady passive income. 6. Scaling to profit. So, your first book is live and you've made your first sale. Congrats! But don't stop now. This is where real growth begins. Once you see traction, the next step is scaling your Amazon KDP business into a consistent and potentially full time income stream. 1. Publish more books in similar niches. When one book performs well, that's your signal to create more in the same or related niches. For example, if a